Hi friends, my name is Mohit and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Support. Friends, today we will learn how we can install Windows 10 on our physical desktop or laptop on a Hyper-V machine. So guys, before start the installation of Windows 10, you should have a bootable USB drive or bootable DVD drive or DVD media. So if you don't know how we can create this USB bootable media or DVD bootable media, so I will share my video link on description box. You can check it there. So now, whenever you have this installation media is prepared, so you just need to plug your USB drive or device on your desktop or laptop USB port and restart your laptop or desktop and go to the BIOS. In the BIOS, you should go to the sequence option and select the first boot device is a USB drive and select the UEFI options and your Windows Secure Boot should be disabled. You can check it there and apply and OK. And after that, computer will restart and you need to press F12 for a Dell laptop, F9 for HP laptop. So it all depends what time boot device. So here the list will appear. So here you need to select the USB one because this is an installation media for Windows 10 and press the enter. You can select this option by arrow key. So guys, and after that installation will started. But here I am installing the Windows 10 with Hyper-V. So here I need to create a Hyper-V manager. Open the Hyper-V. Here I am opening the run as administrator. So here I am clicking on the quick create. Here I am also uncheck this option. So if I will tick this one, so enable Windows Secure Boot option will be enabled. So I am unchecking this. So it's disabled now. I already downloaded the ISO image of Windows 10. So I'm just giving the path to this thing. Now here I'm going to more option giving the Win 10 Pro. So I can recognize this thing. Click on the create virtual machine. So here my virtual machine is creating. So now I need to connect on the connect now. Now it will ask me to when I press the enter, press any key to continue. I have to press any key, enter space bar for start the installation. Here, as I told you that when you will press enter, the same option will ask to you. So now I minimize this thing. So I'm clicking on the start. I just start. I will press the space bar here. So I just press one and now installation is started now. You can see that these things. So now it's asking me to click on next. So language is by default United States. You can choose your currency or time, your keyboard or your language as per your requirement. I'm just clicking on the next, clicking on the install now. Now here it will take some time. So now you have to enter your product key. So guys, you never use your pirated software as my recommendation. So right now I'm not putting any product key because I'm installing this Windows and only for tutorial purpose. So I'm clicking on the I do not have product key option. But if you will you put your product key, so it's automatically recognize which operating system you are installing you're installing the Windows 10 Home, Pro or Enterprise as per your product key. So this operating system will automatically recognize. So I'm just clicking on the I do not have product key, but I'm installing the Windows 10 Pro. Just clicking on the next. Here, here it will ask you to accept the agreement. We have to click on the accept the agreement and click on the next. Now here are two options. If you want to upgrade your machine, then you can select this option. If upgrade means Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10. If you want to clean installation, then click on this option. So I'm doing the clean installation. There is a hard disk. This is my virtual hard disk, but it should have your hard disk at your end. So here I'm clicking a partition. Suppose if you want to keep a C drive as a 100 GB or 50 GB, so you can put the option there, the 50,000 MB. So here I'm clicking a full drive. So I'm clicking on the apply, OK, and now clicking on the next. So guys, now installation is started. It will take some time for installation. Let me pause this video and I will resume when this installation is done. So you have to nothing to do on this option. So it will run automatically. So let me pause this video. Welcome back friends. Now it's asking for let's start with reason. So you can choose your reason. So here I am in India, so I'm choosing India. Click on yes, and now it asking for just a moment. Now it will set the some basic configuration. Now it's asking for the keyboard. I'm okay with the US keyboard, but you can choose as per your requirement. Click on yes. Now if you want to add a keyboard layout, so I do not want to, but just click on the skip button. If you want to add layout, you can do this thing. So now it's doing some network configuration. So on this position, it will take some time. So for the network configuration, so guys, let me pause this video. It will take some time. Welcome back, my friends. Now it's asking for setup for a personal use or organizational use. So here we can choose the personal use and click on the next. So now we need to create an offline account, but if you have Outlook ID, so you can put it there and click on next. But do not have I do not want to add any Outlook ID, so I'm just putting the offline account. But if you will put their Outlook ID, so you will get the other services from Microsoft. So here is giving me the warning also that if I will use a offline account, so I will get a limited experience, but I'm okay with this. So here I want to put the name. So I'm putting their name is Mohit. So just click on next. You can put your name here. Here we need to put a strong password, but I am not putting any password over here because this is only for demo purpose or a training purpose, but you should always use your strong password. So now it's configuring these things, and now it will take few minutes or more. Now it's asking you to accept the privacy settings on your device. So you can read this thing and click on the accept because we do not have any choice without accepting this thing. Now it will ask for a Cortana services, but I do not want this Cortana services. So I'm clicking on the not now. But if you want, then click on accept and configure your Cortana part. But I'm not okay with this thing. So now its final configuration is going on, or after that our desktop will come. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes. All depends your system speed. So guys, let me pause this video again. Welcome back, my friends. Now you can see this is the default desktop of Windows 10. Now you can upgrade your Windows Microsoft Edge and you can get your desktop icon by right clicking on the desktop, go to the personalize because by default the icon is not coming on the desktop. So we can do this thing. So here you can see the setting page will open. Meantime, you can click on the complete setup and continue without sign in. So here this is your Microsoft Edge page. So you can minimize and do your settings. So here we need to go to the themes and click on the desktop icon setting. Here you can check these three things. Okay, so now you can see that you will get this PC option. So guys, this is our Windows 10 installation. I hope you understand. This is very simple. And if you like my video, then please share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.